Welcome back to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make some sweet potato fries. Very simple, very fast. So stay tuned, I'll be showing you that right away. Okay, so one healthy snack I like to use a lot instead of french fries is just a baked sweet potato fry. So I'm going to show you how to make it really simple. So I'm going to take one baked sweet potato, I'm going to cut it down the middle, and I'm going to cut it down the middle again to make almost 4 large fries. I'm going to take it in my bowl, I'm going to add a little extra virgin olive oil, a little brown sugar for sweetness, toss it, a little sea salt. I like the sea salt because it gives it a little bit stronger taste. Now I'm going to put it on a baking sheet pan. Once it's on my baking sheet pan, I'm going to layer it out just like this, so it stays nice and flat on the skin. I left the skin on because I want the vitamins from the skin. I'm going to throw it in the oven at 350. Now that it's in the oven, I'm going to start making the aioli. I want to make a little dipping sauce. So with the fries, you always do ketchup and something like that, but I figure with this recipe, I want to do something a little bit more fancier. So what I'm going to do is take 2 ounces of mayo, I'm going to take a little sweet chili sauce, maybe just like a tablespoon at the most, just to give it a little flavor. First you shake. One tablespoon should be enough. Mix this up. Add a little bit of the sea salt. Stir it nice and to get all the flavors in there. Then I'm going to take it and put it in my little ramekin. And that will go right here. That'll be my serving plate. Now while I'm waiting for the sweet potato fries to cook a little bit, it's going to be about 20 minutes in the oven just to get it nice and crispy. You want a little crispy texture to the outside, so it's crunchy, almost like a fry. So I'll give you a couple tips. First tip is you don't have to use brown sugar if you don't want to. You can use like even palm sugar, coconut sugar, anything that's a little bit healthier. You can omit the sugar altogether. The sweet potato fries, as always, can be cooked off a little bit earlier in the day and just throw in the oven just to reheat it when it's time to eat. So those are just a couple little tips. So now it should be done with the magic of photography and video and everything. So here they are. So I got them. It came out nice and toasted just like this, you can see. I'm going to dust them with a little bit more of the sea salt. I'm going to stand them up in my little container. So you can see how easy it is, how fast. And again, an easy snack that you can just have ready. Especially like instead of just doing a baked sweet potato, you can have some sweet potato fries as a garnish, for your meal. So there you go. Sweet potato fries with a little sea salt, a little brown sugar, and a little sweet chili dipping sauce. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for next week. Again, video drops every Tuesday and Saturday. Please don't forget to hit subscribe, leave any comments, any feedbacks. Follow me at chefjesseq on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys next week. Bye.